Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the complete installation and configuration process for your new doorbell in just a few easy steps. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or upgrading, we'll make sure it's ready to go in no time. Let's get started. First, unbox your Blink Video Doorbell. Inside the package, you'll find the doorbell itself, the backplate, a couple of screws, and the user manual. Make sure you have everything you need before proceeding. Next, you'll need to download the Blink Home Monitor app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. This app is essential for controlling and configuring your Blink Video Doorbell, allowing you to manage settings, view live footage, and receive notifications. After installation, launch the app and log in with your existing Blink account. If you're new to Blink, simply follow the prompts to create a new account and get started with your setup. Next, open the app and tap the plus sign on the home screen to add a new device. From the list of available options, choose Blink Video Doorbell. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the pairing process and configuration. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan the QR code found on the back of your Blink Video Doorbell. This step ensures the app recognizes your device, allowing it to sync properly with your account and start the configuration process smoothly. Your Blink Video Doorbell operates using 2 AA lithium batteries, which are included in the package. To power the device, open the back cover, insert the batteries into the compartment, and securely snap the backplate back into place to complete the setup. To mount the doorbell, choose your preferred location next to your door. Use the screws provided to attach the backplate to the wall or door frame. Then, simply slide the doorbell onto the backplate until it clicks into place. Now, connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network through the app. Make sure you're connecting to a 2.4 GHz network for optimal performance. Once connected, the app will confirm the setup and the doorbell will be ready to use. Finally, test your Blink Video Doorbell by pressing it. You should receive a notification on your phone, and the camera feed will appear in the app. Adjust any additional settings, like motion detection or alerts, as needed.